Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Reader Class 7 book. As you know, I have started this chapter, Dara the Good. Last day I have completed till here. Today I will start from here. He wore the governor's cloak over his ordinary clothes, which he refused to discard in spite of his high position. So he was wearing the governor's cloak. Cloak is a sleeveless outdoor overgarment that hangs loosely from the shoulder, which he was wearing. Okay, and he was wearing the governor's cloak over his ordinary clothes, and he refused to discard. Means he was refused to get rid of it in spite of its high position that he was on a governor post. He was still wearing. He went from village to village and listened sympathetically to the complaints of the people and took steps to see that these complaints were promptly attended to. So he was going from village to village, okay, and he was listening with sympathy, means in a way that shows pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune. He was listening to the complaints and he was taking steps to see that these complaints were promptly, means these complaints were immediately listened by he was listened by him, and the people had now enough to eat and live contentedly. So the people have now enough so that they can eat, and they were living contentedly, means they were living in a way that can express happiness. As Dara went to his official rounds, a mule carrying an iron chest always followed him. So as Dara was going for a round, a mule was there, means an animal whose parents are a horse and a donkey. Okay, and you carrying an iron chest, means iron chest is like a means of storage which is used for storing item, which is always following him. Now no one ever saw that what was in the chest, but everybody noticed that the governor took special care of it. Nobody saw what was in the chest, but everybody was seeing that the governor was taking care of that. As the days passed, some police people started the rumor that the chest contained gold and silver. So as the days was passing, some unwise people started the rumor. Rumor means currently circulating a story of uncertain, that the chest, and they were saying that the chest is in the chest there is gold and silver. So the rumor spread rapidly, and many villagers began to believe that Dara was making himself rich at the expense of the poor. So this rumor spread rapidly, and the villagers started to believe that Dara was becoming rich by the expense of the poor. So the governor soon lose the trust and confidence of the people. So the governor lose the trust and confidence of the people by this. When the king heard about this, he deeply distressed. So when the king heard about this, he was deeply distressed, means he was suffering from anxiety, sorrow. But instead of relying on the reports of his minister, he resolved to find out the truth himself. So instead of relying on the report which is given by his minister, he wanted to find what is the truth was there behind it. He started to find the truth himself. He set out one day to visit the governors at the place where he was camping. So he went to one day to visit the governor. He went to the Dara at the place where he was camping. Camping means the act of spending holiday, which is living in a tent. As the king approached the camp, Dara went forward to receive him on a horseback. So as king came to the camp, approached near the camp, Dara went forward to receive him, on a horseback, means he went on a horse to receive him to the king. A servant followed him, leading a mule with an iron chest on its back. So servant was following him, and in front of servant a mule was there with an iron chest was there on his back. The king, seeing the iron chest, was beside himself with anger. Refusing to acknowledge Dara's greeting, he shouted, "I made you governor. I made you a governor." The king, seeing the iron chest, just beside himself in anger and refusing to acknowledge, means he was not the accept the existence, that is called acknowledge Dara's greeting. He shouted. He now started shouting at Dara and said, to Dara, I made you governor, but you prove yourself unworthy of the post. So he said that I have appointed you as a governor, but you have proved yourself unworthy, means no, you are not deserving for this post. You have robbed the poor of their money. Open the chest and take your ill-gotten treasure. So he said that you have robbed, means you have taken the property unlawfully by force from the poor of their money. Open the chest. So he is saying open the chest and take out your ill-gotten treasure. Ill-gotten means which is acquired by illegal. Treasure. Treasure means a quantity of precious metal that you take out, which you have taken illegally. Dara quietly opened the chest, and what was the king's surprise when he saw the shepherd bringing out from the chest not gold and silver. So Dara opened the chest, quietly opened the chest, and king got surprised when he saw the shepherds. What shepherd was bringing from the chest? It was not a gold, not a silver, but an old worn-out sheep-skin cloak. What was there inside the chest? There it was a old, worn-out means damaged sheep-skin cloak that was there in the. My lord, said Dara, this cloak is my only treasure. I carry it with me everywhere I go, so that I might not forget that I am still a humble shepherd. So he said that my lord, Dara said, this clock is my treasure. This is my treasure. Okay, I carry it. I am carrying this wherever I am going, so that I could not forget that I am still a humble shepherd. Okay, I am wanted to show a modest of one's importance. That's called humble shepherd. So the king felt ashamed. So the king was feeling very much embarrassed, yet now happy he was that his suspicious was baseless. Now he was happy also that he was suspicious means showing a cautious distrust, which was baseless. Baseless means without foundation in fact. Turning to his minister, he said, Dara, whom we unjustly suspected of being dishonest. So turning to his minister, he said, Dara, whom we unjustly means in a manner that is not in accordance with what is morally right and fair. That is called injustice. Suspected. Suspected means without certain proof of being dishonest. Is the humblest. So this is humblest and most faithful man. So he said that you are the most faithful man that can be found in the country. So you are the faithful man. King said to Dara, and from tomorrow he shall be the governor of a very large province. So he said, from tomorrow the king appointed Dara as the governor of a large province. Means a whole big province. Means province is a principal administrative division of a country. So that's all.